You're using your dishwasher wrong. You're plastering your dishes with microplastics while wasting money. These 2 tricks will fix that while making your old dishwasher wash a whole lot better than it used to. First up, you're going to replace those pods with some powder. This has a whole lot more washing power than you would get in those pods. No matter how colorful or how much plastic they're covered in, this will always be better. Plus, you pour it in right here, and then whatever you have, you pour a little bit on top. That way, you can wash it in 2 different wash cycles. Those pods are only going to wash during 1 cycle. Second thing is, your dishwasher needs hot water, the hottest it can get. How do you do that? Run your tap water at hot to get the pipes all nice and warm, so your dishwasher is pulling the warmest water, and it can do the best clean it can do. Bonus tip, clean this filter.